The Crucial P510 1TB NVMe SSD offers impressive Gen 5 read and write speeds that can reach up to 11,000 and 9,500 megabytes per second, ensuring rapid data transfer and reduced load times. Designed for both laptops and desktops, this SSD features an easy-to-install single-sided design that enhances system responsiveness while conserving energy to support longer battery life. Backed by Micron's 45 years of expertise in quality and reliability, the Crucial P510 is a dependable choice for users seeking top-tier performance. Its compatibility with Gen 5 devices provides flexibility and ease of installation, making it an excellent option for those looking to upgrade their systems seamlessly. The Crucial P510 strikes a remarkable balance between performance and cost, offering exceptional value to discerning buyers. With the included Acronis True Image software, users can effortlessly transfer data from their old drives to the new Crucial P510, simplifying the upgrade process.